Good morning. I'm looking a bit rough, but I'm leaving Pamplona, so here we go. It's so quiet this morning, and it's actually not that cold, which is nice. I've also opted to have my bag delivered today just to give my back a rest. It's always so nice to walk around a city when it's quiet. It just has a certain little vibe about it. It's just nice. And today, it's actually not that cold. So the previous mornings, it's been around 8 degrees for the start. I think today it's like 16 or 17. I'm quite comfortable at the moment. I think that's the citadel over there. Now crossing over a little medieval bridge, which actually doesn't look that medieval. And that's Pamplona behind me. So I still think I'm going the right way. I'll be honest, I prefer walking through the villages rather than the big cities. I can get a big city if I go home or if I'm traveling, but when you're out walking, you just want nature and mountains and trees and flowers and hills. So this is really nice. And it's nice to walk into like a little village, get a feed, have a nice sleep, and recover, and then walk the next day. Pamplona is nice, but I prefer this. It just smells beautiful too. The flowers are so nice. And I think I'm going to be walking over that next. I'm not really looking forward to it, but it's all part of it, right? The bugs keep flying into my eyes because I'm in just a random field right now. Oh my God, they're everywhere. You can see behind me, that's the random field that I've walked through with all the bugs. So many bugs, just bugs flying in my eyes, terrible. That's so cool. They even have bike parking. I'm most certainly going over that next. Pamplona is over there. I walked from that. Now I'm going this way. I just checked the elevation and I've almost reached the top. I'm a little over 2/3 of the way up, which I'm actually surprised about because I thought it was going to be way more of an incline, but it's been pretty gradual, and I just powered up that last hill. So I think I'm going to be okay today. I still have about another 14 kilometers to go, but it's all downhill after that, which is, I don't know, it's good for me. I just had an orange juice in a town that I can't pronounce the name of, and now I'm heading over that bad boy, which from here looks pretty intimidating, but we're gonna take it slow. Here we go, here's the climb. Two cyclists just came ripping down this hill, scared the absolute shit out of me. The clouds here are hitting the top. You can actually see it with your eyes. Yeah, look at that sign. That's why we have sticks. We're going all the way down there next. I'm just taking very small steps down a very large hill. Now I have a little bit of reprieve from that hill. Sometimes when you're staying in the albergues, you run into the same people. And for the past 2 nights, there's this older lady who has been in my same little pod. And she said to me this morning when I got up that yesterday and today, I was putting my gear together with military precision. Because she said I just put it all together and I was out the door, and I thought that was really funny. And looks like there's something straight ahead. Oh, this is funny. It's a hay bale. Well, it looks like I'm on the right path. I'm pretty cooked after that last bit because I didn't stop at all. That was actually kind of hard. Easy but hard.